Okay, students, our new song is called I Can't Stand Still Under Those Raindrops. It's a very challenging song, but it's also a very exciting song. So I want you to practice and practice and practice and practice, and you will do an outstanding job. I can't stand still under those raindrops. I can't stand still under that sky. No, no, oh, when that rain is pounding a rhythm, my feet just won't let me dry. Ooh, that rain is falling, falling. Ooh, that rain is falling down. Yeah, yeah, that rain is pounding out a rhythm, a rhythm. My feet will meet it on the ground. Tick, tick, tick a tick, tick a tack, kick. Plip, plop, plip, plop, plop a to pop. Bop, bop, bop a da, bop a doo bop. Dooba 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 doo wop. Spinning in them. Boom, 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 a dooba doom. Jibba, 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 to drop. Boom, a doom, boom, boom, a doom, doom, ba boo, ba boo. Drip, drop, plip, plop. I can't stand still under those raindrops. I can't stand still under that sky. No, no, oh, when that rain is pounding a rhythm. My feet just won't let me dry. Ooh, that rain is falling, falling. Ooh, that rain is falling down. Yeah, yeah, that rain is pounding out a rhythm. My feet will meet it on the ground. Ooh, I can't stand still under those raindrops. I cannot stand still under that sky. Oh, when that rain is pounding a rhythm, my feet won't let me. My feet won't let me dry. Won't dry. Won't dry. Feet won't let me dry. No. Okay, friends, make sure that you practice.